Hello students, have a nice day. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to see about history. Our topic is what is history. From this lesson, we can know what history is all about. You can understand the importance of history and lifestyle of the prehistoric man. Next, you can know how paintings portray the daily activities of the prehistoric man and understand the importance of history and historical researchers. Okay students, now I will explain about history. What is history? History is the study of past events in chronological order. Series of past events. The term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by inquiry. Listen students, in ancient period, the people lived in caves, used to draw paintings in rocks called rock paintings. They might have wished to record their activities through these paintings. We came to know their hunting style through their paintings on the rocks and the walls of the caves. Some would have stayed back without joining the hunting team. So, for their benefit, these pictures could have been drawn. Stone tools, excavated materials, and rock paintings are the major sources of prehistory. Next, come to learn about a mighty emperor Ashoka. The most famous ruler of ancient India was Emperor Ashoka. Ashoka gave up war after seeing many people grieving death after the Kalinga War. He embraced Buddhism and then devoted his life to spread the message of peace and dharma. He was the first to build hospitals for animals and he was the first to lay roads. Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes in our national flag was taken from the Sarnath pillar of Ashoka. This inscription were observed on rocks, Sanchi Stupa and Sarnath pillar and help to understand the greatness of Ashoka to the world. Students, do you know what proto-history? Proto-history is the period between prehistory and history. This period for which records in writing are available but not yet deciphered is called proto-history. Today, we are leading a safe life with all modern equipments, but our ancestors did not live in such a safe environment. There might have been chances of wild animals entering their caves, but they realized that dogs could help them to prevent the entry of such dangerous animals by its sniffing skill. Hence, they started domesticating dogs for their protection and hunting activities. From this, we also know how inscriptions, monuments, copper plates, accounts of foreigners or foreign travelers, and folk tales play a vital role in constructing and reconstructing history. Okay, students, we shall complete this lesson now. Note your homework. Try to do your best. Thank you.